Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for our very, very bright lab students. And today we shall be focusing on the discussion of scarlet red tongue. So this is not ordinary red. It's really very deep red or scarlet red, no? Okay. A scarlet red tongue is described as having a tongue body color that is deep red with a slightly pink hue. Okay? Slight na lang yung pagka-pink niya. So if the tongue is dry or without coating, the diagnosis would be kidney yin deficiency with vigorous internal heat. No? Mm. Okay. If only the anterior third of the tongue is scarlet red, so anterior third would be the lung and a little of
Long.
stomach, diba? So severe lung yin and stomach yin deficiency. And always remember that if you have diba, like if you have stomach kidney yin deficiency, you can also have stomach yin deficiency and lung yin deficiency. Okay? So it depends on the location. So if the scarlet red tongues are with coating, this is characteristic of warm febrile diseases. Remember, if the coating is thick, especially if it's yellow, that's warm febrile disease. Hindi po yan yin deficiency. So meron siyang, maybe he was so affected by wind heat invasion, no? Let's go directly to the tongue. Okay. Can you give your thoughts, Doc She? Uh, we have the symptoms. Okay, can you describe the tongue? Remember, our topic is scarlet red. So obviously, the tongue is deep red in color, the tongue body.
And the tongue is dry.
Hmm.
Dry siya, Doc.
Okay.
And um, sa posterior third niya, medyo um, yung coating niya sa may kidney area din is
Kumakapal.
parang yellowish brown siya, Doc. Na parang ano na siya.
Okay. So 22 years old pa lang yung patient, female, and she's complaining of dry, red, itchy skin. So if you have that, definitely there is heat in the blood, no? Fits of anger, depression, okay? Western diagnosis, atopic eczema. So bibigyan lang ng,
Mm.
no? Background to disease, lack of sleep, irregular lifestyle, alcohol abuse. So sobrang heat. Let's take a look at the diagnosis. Okay. Scarlet red, you were correct. That means there is heat in the blood, no? As manifested by the itching, no? Takati-kati. And also, um, alcohol, di ba? O ba yun? And also, yeah, you were correct. Na-notice mo to kanina. Slight kidney yin deficiency. Slight. Kung nakikita nyo, nawawaksi na yung coating. Yes.
Mhm.
And then, the dry, rough coating actually means there is dehydration, no? Or fluid deficiency. Okay, I think you noticed that the tongue is dry. Tapos rough
Right.
ang coating. Yeah. And then the notch at the tip, itong may parang cleft. There are patients who are like that, no? May yati, may ano to? May tapya sa gitna. That means there is slight heart blood deficiency. Okay? Um, I'll give you another tip, no? If the tongue is curled upward, that's heat due to excess, no? So ibig sabihin excess. Um
Mm.
yeah. Pag nakababa yung tongue, yung tip, sorry. It's still the heat there is still heat, but the heat is due to deficiency. So that means it is yin deficiency with empty heat. Okay?
Mm.
So, ito, what we saw was slight heart blood deficiency, the notch at the tip. Mayroong notch, no? And if you remember, kulang siya ng sleep, lack of sleep. Okay? Depression, yeah, I think. And also, yeah, lack of sleep. Kasi alam nyo, pag dry kasi, this will actually make you feel agitated, no? Remember, pag kulang na yung yin, kulang na yung blood, um, your Shen will be restless. Okay? Now let's go to another tongue. The tongue doesn't look very red to me, no? Pero red pa rin siya. Ano napansin niyo una-una? So, we have a 41-year-old female, okay, complaining of exhaustion, inability to sleep through the night. So, even if this patient is exhausted, di ba, a normal response natin, normal would be, we will go to sleep, no? With matching snoring. But this time, even if the patient feels exhausted most of the time or all the time, um, she is unable to sleep through the night or the sleep is restless. So there is also thirst, there is depression, and I notice kasi pag depression, the tongue is a little bit, parang ano sa side, no? Ito hindi masyado. Okay. No? Ito all lumalaki, oh, tingnan nyo. That's actually spleen, no? And then the
Yeah.
patient is also complaining of heartburn. Okay? Parang nababurn yung heart. So
I
actually,
want
this
to.
is caused by the stomach. If you take a look
So,
closely at the stomach area,
yeah.
yeah, okay? So background to disease, pregnancy at a late age. Kaya sorry. Okay. Breastfeeding for too long. Yung iba okay. I have a patient, 4 years old na yung bata, pinapaano pa niya. Sabi ko, madam, pero buti tinigil na niya. And she has this. Okay.
Buti ako, Dok, po, hindi ako nagkaganyan. Kasi until 5 years old, nag-breastfeed yung bunso ko.
Ay, gano'n.
Never naman nagkaganyan.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Maaga ka naman nabuntis kasi.
Ako sa bagay kasi young naman ako. Ito kasi old siya, Dok.
Kasi old na
Nung
siya.
bata.
Oo, 40.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, ay, scarlet thread pala to. Siguro yung pagkuha, no? For me, it doesn't look so scarred. Okay,
Na
slightly
parang pinkish
patchy.
red.
Yes, Mom Tricks. Parang
No,
red.
parang pinkish. Oo, parang
Ay, oo, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember pag scarlet pala, may pinkish, may slight na pagka-pink.
pink.
Yeah.
Oo,
Ay,
ganun siya.
okay. I'd like to share with you. Yung patient ko last week sa Cebu, like shiny siya. Nagulat nga ako, parang kita ko na yung mukha ko sa kanyang Meron pala siyang uterine
Back
cancer.
na black.
Scarlet red, slightly shiny. So this means there is kidney deficiency with heat from deficiency. So that means walang coating, no? Wala naman talagang coating. Okay, there is a raw reddish area in the center. I think you can see this. No? So this explains siguro yung ano niya. Ano ba siya meron? Heartburn, no? So that's stomach yin deficiency. Okay? This one, no? Stomach yin deficiency. And then the tongue sides are swollen, especially in the central part. This one. So we have spleen chi and yin deficiency or spleen chi deficiency. Okay. Next, we have another patient, 33-year-old male, complaining of inner restlessness, tremor of the hands, and poor memory. Hmm?
Liver.
Yeah, background.
Liver.
Kaya importante talaga you extract the history, no? Background, drug abuse, social,
Mm.
heroin, cocaine, and ecstasy. Walang ano. Like, oh, like somebody we know, no? I so sorry. Ay, ba naman ito? Okay.
Kidney.
You know somebody
Kidney.
okay. Kaya ano, mas dangerous yung ano, poor man's cocaine, no? Ay, okay. Tremor of the hands, poor memory. Lack of sleep, overwork, and works with toxic substances. Okay. So let's
May
describe the
kidney.
tongue. Scarlet
Kidney
red,
deficiency.
kidney yin deficiency.
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Yung posterior third niya, Doc, masyado ng
Yeah.
malalim.
Mm-mm. Oo, bumaba na. Oh. Ilang taon yung patient? 33 pa lang. Pang matanda na. Raised reddish dots distributed over the entire tongue. You should also really, really take note of that, ha? Yung mga dots. That means there is heat in the blood. No? So I think this explains why there's heat in the blood because of toxins, no?
Mm.
And then there's a long vertical crack, no? So that means this patient has constitutional weakness of the heart and inabuso pa rin niya yung kanyang health, no? So for those people who
Parang may konting problema din sa ano niya, Doc, sa liver niya.
okay, ito siya.
Medyo
Mm.
enlarged yung heart area niya, yes. So, reddish siya.
Okay.
Problema
Kasi
niya
may
talaga.
tremors din siya, Doc, eh.
Mm-mm. Ah,
So
Usually,
parang
hindi
wala
ko
ng
diba?
coating dun
Walang
sa
coat.
side. Sa side.
Oo.
okay. Let's go now to assessment. Thank you so much for your thoughts, no? Punta na tayo sa assessment. Who would like to volunteer?
First come, first serve na lang.
Ikaw.
Mm-mm.
Sige, si Doc She. If the tongue body is pale, what does that indicate?
Yang deficiency.
Yun lang?
Cold. Cold.
Blood.
Cold.
Mm.
Blood deficient.
Yeah, blood deficiency or blood
Yeah.
vacuity or yang
Mm.
deficiency. Okay?
Yeah.
So pag yang
Deficiency.
deficiency, often, kasi di ba pag may yang deficiency, the patient feels cold. So may pagka-blue
Yeah.
ng
Mm.
no? Hmm.
Mm.
Sige, let's correlate. What do you expect to feel sa pulse pag may blood deficiency?
Deep.
Deep. Deep and slow.
Because it's chronic.
Slow.
How would you what is the character of the is it soft? Is it um what's this?
Hollow.
Wiry or is it thin?
Wiry.
Wiry ka agad? Grabe. Oh,
Thin.
what do you mean pag kulang yung blood? Pag kulang yung blood dumadaan
Thin.
sa blood vessel. So definitely you will
Parang thin
expect
lang siya.
the pulse to be like
Soft.
payat, no? Payat siya, 'di ba? Fine
Thin
or
lang.
Thin.
oo, let me see.
Thin.
Pag
Parang
young
manipis lang.
deficiency naman, what about young deficiency? Di ba nalalamig yung pasyente? Ano yung number one ano natin sa pulse pag may young deficiency? Di ba pag feeling cold, first, paano yung ano, will the heart pulse rate be fast or will it be slow?
Slow.
No.
Slow and
Slow.
Slow.
anong klase
Slow
ng
and
character ng pulse niya?
soft.
Tight,
Wiring.
hindi
Tight.
Wiry.
tight, tight siya,
Trendy.
tight.
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 Ayun pala. Tight.
Next, if the tongue
Ring.
body is dark red, what does that indicate?
Heat or
Heat. Excess.
heat excess.
Wow. Heat excess or deficiency. Kasi pwede ka magkaroon ng empty heat, 'di ba? So, how would you differentiate the two? Take note, yung tongue body lang ang tinanong, dark red. Now, dalawa yung umaandar sa utak mo? Heat excess or deficiency heat? Di ba pwede ka rin magkaroon ng heat, empty heat, no? Heat,
Yes.
Yes.
excess or uh, deficiency.
And
The
The
presence
coating.
of coating.
The
coating.
coating.
Yes.
Pag empty, no coating.
Okay.
Pag empty coating,
Yeah. Pwede rin maging red. Empty heat na yon. That's coming from deficiency or vacuity. Vacuity is another term, the old term for deficiency. Now,
Yes.
what about the pulse?
Fast and
Rapid.
superficial.
Rapid.
rapid,
Rapid. And will it be bounding? Ramdam mo ba sa lahat ng levels?
Mm,
Excess na eh, di ba? Umaapaw.
Yes.
eh,
Superficial and talaga.
Overwhelming pulse, 'di ba? Overwhelming. What about pag vacuity, pag deficiency? Will you be able to feel the pulse on all levels or will it be
no.
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 superficial lang? Will it be superficial?
Merong, may superficial doc, meron ding ma-feel mo siya sa deepest, na siya.
You're almost to the
Um,
bone.
so what is
Deepest.
the pulse? Is it strong or without force?
With
Without.
ano ba?
force.
Weak siya. Weak siya pero mabilis.
Without.
Pwedeng deep, pwedeng superficial. Pag superficial kasi, ibig sabihin, um, ano ba to? Wind heat invasion. Diba? Remember? Saka hindi magda-dark red yan pag wind heat invasion. Now, yan. Number 3, if the tongue body is scarlet, o ito lang yung topic natin, no? What does that indicate?
Stagnation.
Fire.
A fire.
Heat
Ah,
and fire.
Pala.
Number 4,
Fire.
if the tongue body is purple, what does that indicate?
Stagnation.
Stagnate.
Dalawa yung klase.
Stasis
Fluid
Cold
purple,
cold
cold
stasis, blood
stasis or cold stagnation. Pag reddish purple, blood stasis.
blood stasis. Oh, cool.
Number 5, if the tongue body is
Mhm.
thin or shrunken, what does that indicate? Marami kang pasyenteng ganyan, di ba? Parang nipis-nipis. Or parang
Yes po.
nangyuyoy. Okay.
Yin.
Yung
Yin,
iba hindi na talaga ma-feel.
di ba
Oh,
yin yan?
dehydrated yan.
Yin deficiency.
Yin
Oh,
deficiency.
deficiency. Yeah.
Blood
Ang
deficiency.
yin deficiency niya, pwedeng blood, pwedeng fluids. No?
Fluid.
Consistency of the tongue body derives from normal supply of body fluids to the tongue. Ang fluids nagbibigay ng body. So pag yung tongue mo nanguluntoy, nag-shrink na. So think of fluid deficiency. A thin tongue body, therefore, always suggests blood or fluid deficiency. Sometimes the tongue can be so thin as to actually be shrunken, leaving longitudinal ridges on its surface. I'm sure you're familiar with this tongue. Bigla kang nagulat, no? Yun na, kulang na sa nutrition. Kaya kailangan mo talaga gawan.
Meron ako nakitang ganyan, Doc. Grabe.
Kaya dyan papasok yung mga supplements mo. And then this time, the supplements will work better because natanggal mo na yung dampness, natanggal mo na yung heat,
Kulang ang hairball ko.
phlegm, diba? Hmm. Number 6, if the tongue body is thick or swollen, what does that indicate? Ay, nagbabiyahe na naman si Sir Job and wife. So, hello.
Yes.
So, hindi ka talaga sasagot kasi nakakahiya sa ano. Okay, anyone? Pag thick swollen,
Dampness.
Dampness.
Fluid excess.
Yeah, fluid excess or nag-retain ng fluid, nagda-dampness. So there are two reasons. Number one, merong yang qi deficiency, failing to transform and transport fluid, so nag-accumulate in the tongue. So you have to really know what is causing the swelling, no? So yang qi. Or merong heat in the body, no? So which pushes the fluids up to the tongue. Yung una is a passive process whereby fluids stagnate, and this one, heat in the body, is an active process. So how are you going to differentiate, Sir Mark? How are you going to confirm na yang qi deficiency ang pagkaswollen niya or heat in the body? Yung pulse, di ba?
Tapos nawala ako. May kausap kasi ako, Dok eh.
Sige, it's okay. Yung pulse, di ba, Doc She? Yung pulse.
Yes.
Hmm. Pag yang qi deficient, you expect the pulse to be slow and very weak. And then pag heat in the body, fast, diba? Oh.
Fast or rapid.
But again, baka nagmamadali lang siya sa appointment mo. Chika-chika mo na kayo mga 5-10 minutes. Yun. Kasi baka may nagbago yung pulse. Next.
Naglakad pala papuntang clinic.
Yes. If the tongue body is swollen and purple, what might that indicate? Oh, this is just like
Dampness. Um,
Damp heat.
Damp heat.
damp heat.
Damp heat.
May alcoholism.
Alcohol. Pag
Tinan yung tongue ni ano, ni Doc Ryan. Papabuti.
sabihin ko si Sir Albert.
Ay, tinan natin. Ay, yung ano ni Sir Albert, ano, di ba? Parang ganun din.
Parang hindi lang Sir Albert.
Yung mga ganito, Doc, maaring may mga ano din ito, mga liver problems like fatty liver.
Hindi, mga diabetes, ganyan ng dila.
Yeah. Kasi
Huwag naman kayo
ang
magsabi kaagad
liver
diabetic
naman-
na stress tuloy. Okay.
Kasi
Sir,
ganyan,
huwag niyong
ganyan yung
takutin
tongue
yung
ng ano,
pasyente. Grabe naman. Pag
ganyan
dampi,
yung tongue ng husband ko, swollen and purple.
okay.
Pag tumataas
Ano
yung
naman yung,
sugar niya.
okay, paano mo malalaman na damp heat sa pulse lang?
Forceful.
Full.
Forceful, fast.
Ano pa? Yun lang. Paano mo nalaman na damp?
Ano yun? Parang,
Ang pulse
Pwedeng
mo,
wiry, pwedeng slippery.
parang wave. Parang, yun. Like
Pwedeng
wavy.
wiry or slippery.
Slippery pa na wavy.
Okay. Swelling may be due to excess or deficiency. How might you differentiate?
pulse again.
O, sige.
Tongue body
Evaluate the color of the tongue body.
Oo.
So pag
Red
pale yung
person.
tongue body, deficiency yon. So pag red or purple, yung swelling is from excess. Oo. Of course, magko-coincide din yan with the pulse, right? Kaya you should always perform the pulse together with the tongue. Or look at the tongue first, then confirm using the pulse. Okay? Oh, number 9. If the tongue body is swollen at the edges, what might that indicate?
Clean.
Clean sheet.
Clean.
Very
Clean.
good. Galing naman. Tingnan nyo, lumibilog na siya. Spleen chi deficiency or spleen yang deficiency. Okay. Pag spleen yang deficiency, wet din yung sides. No?
Mm.
Pag spleen yang deficiency, yung pulse mabilis, mabagal.
Mabilis.
Anong mabilis? Yang
Bagal.
deficiency.
Mabagal. Mabagal. Sorry. Mabagal.
Spleen
Splenia
deficiency,
pala.
okay lang.
Abab.
Ng pagbabago, pero mahina, ha? Ano siya? Weak, forceless.
Force.
You know. And finally, ay nagpakita na kaagad. So, nagpakita si Sir Mark, siya sasagot nito. Okay. Sir Mark, Sir M, what if the tongue body is swollen at the sides?
Dampness.
Di
Liver.
ito pagkakaiba nito. Ito
Liver yan.
binubulog, Jess. Ito sa side. Hindi sides talaga, oh, lahat yan. Liver na liver yan.
Liver. Liver yang
Yeah, liver
rising.
yang rising or liver fire. So in these cases, yung tongue body will be red, dark red, or pag may blood stasis, purple. May blood stasis pala si ano. Okay. This type of swelling is found in a thin strip along the entire length of both sides of the tongue. No? This tongue differs from that with swollen edges, that the swelling is more evenly distributed along the length of the tongue body, and it extends less deeply into the central tongue surface. So, malaki yung malaki yung difference. Yeah. Wow. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for your attention, and see you again next time. Wait.
Salamat, Doc.
Doc.
Salamat.